So we start out today's video with this gorgeous color transformation. Wow, this is just absolutely beautiful. This plays into that color blocking trend that's floating around at the moment. Absolutely love the contrasting hues with the blonde and the black. Breathtaking style idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some fall 2023 into 2024 winter hairstyle ideas. So next up we have someone who does have a bit of pink within their strands. This is a nice little Y2K style, another huge trend that has managed to make a comeback thanks to TikTok. We're seeing the return of the dip dyed ends. Now, if you don't want to dye your hair, there are a couple of ways that you can do the dip dyed in trend without actually dyeing your hair. You could use color wax or wax paint. You can also go in with the colored spray as well, or you can use clip-ins. So the stylist places the hot hair into a high ponytail. And then kind of does a twisting motion to give it that nice little 90s updo twist. Leaves a few pieces hanging out. This would actually be a really simple and easy style to recreate. And then she flat irons those pieces hanging down in the front, super straight. And then she goes in and adds in the color. Looks like she's using some colored spray, one of the methods that I named earlier. Very cute. And pink hair is definitely trending right now because of the Barbie movie. So you're really getting two trendy looks in one with this particular style. And then we have a nice bob haircut. She's gonna freshen things up by adding in some color. Ooh, a gorgeous blonde. Oh, I love the fullness of this bob. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Such a gorgeous hairstyle. And then we see someone with a pixie look. She's got the bangs going there. And look how she switched it up with this rainbow coloring. So unexpected, so bold, so beautiful. Very cool. Next up, we see someone with a bob style. Ooh, looks like she also went blonde. Oh, I love the texture. I love the dimension within the coloring. Very nice. Wow, the stylist made her look so much younger with this hair color. I feel like this coloring took about 10 years off of her. Wow, very cool. And then we have one of my favorite hair influencers. Here she is showing us a variety of different haircuts that she has managed to rock. I love all of these style ideas. She knows how to really showcase some beautiful looks. She can mix it up with some wigs if she wants to. I just love her style. Sharp bob with the money piece highlights going there. That beautiful pink and burgundy tone. The boy cut with the bangs going there. That nice little tousled texture paired with the red lip. Flawless. And then we get a nice trendy buzz cut. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out the rest of these hairstyles that you can rock for the fall and winter season.